Hey guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a daily dash of life. Today I will show you how to make some Alabama white sauce, and with the sauce I'm going to make some Alabama sliders. And I will also be using the sauce to dip some barbecued leg quarters in. Mmm. For the sliders you will need some shredded chicken, and if you don't have some already, then let me show you how to make some. Rinse the chicken off and pat it dry. Once you've done that, just add it to the crock pot. For each layer that I'm putting in the crock pot, I'm going to add salt and pepper to the top of it. You can use breast or thighs, whatever chicken you want to use, you can use. It's fine. Just as long as you can shred it and get the meat that you want. Again, for each layer, you're going to season. Put the crock pot on high and let it sit for approximately 6 hours. The less chicken you have, the less time it's going to take to cook. But with the amount of chicken that I'm using today, it's going to take me the full 6 hours to cook. While the chicken is cooking, we could just set that aside and get started on our white sauce. In a big pot, get yourself 4 cups of Duke's Mayo, after mixing up your apple cider vinegar, go ahead and put 1/4 of a cup into the sauce or the sauce bowl. Use 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of fresh ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Ordinarily, we would use 2 tablespoons of horseradish at this time, but we ran out. I went to the store to buy more, and guess what? It never made its appearance. So we're doing without horseradish today. Give everything a good mix. Once all the ingredients are combined, then you can store this in the refrigerator and wait until your chicken's ready. If you're cooking chicken on the grill, or if you're still boiling your chicken, if you're still cooking your chicken in the crock pot, whatever you're doing, you can put this in the refrigerator till you're ready. Papa has chicken on the grill right now. He has leg quarters, so I'm gonna wait until those are done before I do anything with the sauce. Papa Bear prepped the leg quarters by rinsing them off and patting them dry. Then he added avocado oil and rubbed it all over the chicken. Make sure you separate the skin and the meat and add oil and seasoning between the chicken. On the first batch, he added a generous amount of a buttery poultry blend. On the second batch, he repeated the same steps, but this time he added a red blend. All of the ingredients will be in the description box below. Right after getting the chicken off of the grill, you immediately dunk it in the sauce and set it aside to rest. The heat from the chicken will melt the sauce and create a coating or glaze over the chicken. You will want to eat this sauce with everything. Try it with some grilled shrimp or sauteed shrimp. Try it on top of some veggies. You will love it. With the chicken fully cooked and shredded, add as much or as little of the sauce to the shredded chicken and mix the sauce in well. Toast some sliders. On one side, add sliced Gouda, and on the other side, add some sliced provolone. The heat from the toasted sliders and the hot chicken will melt the cheese. And you can add a sliced pickle, that's optional. This is what the chicken looks like once the sauce has set, and it's marvelous. And that's how you make an Alabama slider. Mm. 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 Now that's good. Thank you, dear. That sauce is so good. And the bread, those cheeses. Mm. These are a good party snack during games, birthday parties. Mm.
Or anytime you like.
Dinner time. All you need is that shredded chicken. Whip up the sauce real quick. Make yourself some little sliders, and you're good to go. Dinner is served. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Toodles!